Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a gluten-free chocolate brownie. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your butter, then melt that in the microwave until it's fully melted. Then you can go ahead and add in your cocoa powder and whisk together until they are both fully combined. The mixture should be smooth and glossy. Then you can add in all of your granulated sugar and whisk that in until it's fully incorporated. You may notice a change in the consistency, and this is due to the amount of sugar being added. It will become granular. But then add in your eggs and your vanilla and whisk until fully incorporated. This will help get rid of that granular feeling, and it will make it a much more of a silky consistency, which is what you're looking for. Then go ahead and add in your dry ingredient with your chocolate chips, and then fold those in until the mixture is fully incorporated and everything is worked in. Take your time, but don't over mix this, otherwise the brownies will take on more of a cakey texture. Then you can go ahead and grab your 9-inch square baking tin, which has been lined with parchment, and just pour all of that brownie batter in there, getting as much in there as possible, making sure you get every last bit. And don't worry if there's a few bits that haven't been fully incorporated. As you spread and level the mixture, they will incorporate. So then just spread and level the mixture out to be consistent across the pan. This will help with the baking and ensure the best end result. Top with a few more chocolate chips just to enhance that look. Again, this is optional and you don't have to do it. Then you can go ahead and place these into the oven and bake them off. I will leave all the information you need in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So here are what the brownies look like the following morning once they've been baked and allowed to cool, and I've stored them in the fridge, and this will make them easier to slice, and it will also make them more fudgy and dense, which is what you want from a good brownie. You can cut them up into as many or as few pieces as you like, but seeing as it's Christmas and we're being generous, I cut mine into 9. You get a generous sized portion without it being too much, maybe a little bit too much for some people, but hey, it's Christmas, indulge and enjoy yourself. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed, bye guys.